Hey guys, this is me again. I'm going to be singing Kanye West and Jay-Z Paris. Hope you guys enjoy. I might do a couple fails because I only listened to the song a couple times. I'm actually going to have to look at the lyrics on the screen, but no, there's behind me. First niggas gotta find me. What's 50 grand to a motherfucker like me? Can you please remind me? But also hot and crazy. Crazy. And real. And it too. And it look like shit gravy. Also hot. Hey. Hey. Psycho. I'm liable. No medical. Take your pick. Jackson. Tyson. Jordan. Game 6. Also hot, got a broke clock. Rollies that don't tick tock. Odd Mars that's losing time. Hidden behind all these big rocks. Also hot, rock too. I should be supposed to be locked up too. If you escape, when I escape, you be in Paris getting fucked up too. Also hot, faded. Mercenary for yellow bottles, gold models, spilling ace, sick J's. Also hot, bitch behave. Just might let you behave. Down, D-Rose. I'm living the BK. That's a hot honey. That's shit. That shit crazy. That shit crazy. That's a hot little funny. That shit crazy. That shit crazy. That shit crazy. And look me married at the mall. I said, look, you need to have your ball. Come and meet me in the bathroom stall. Show me why you deserve to have it all. But so hot. That shit crazy. Amy J, boss so hard. What she order? Fish fillet? Your whips so cold. This old thing. Act like you ever been around. Motherfuckers like this game. You know, I'm not hating. I'm not a dance. Excuse my French, but I'm in France. I'm just saying. Yeah. Right, if you ask me, cause if I was him, I would have married Kate and Ashley. Who's my nigga? Was Louis my killer? Was drugs my dealer? What's that jacket my jiller? And his name the illest. Nothing from realness. Going niggas in Paris and they going gorillas, huh? Whatever it means. No one knows what it means, but it's provocative. No, it's not. It's gross. Gets the people going. Also, that's activity. Hot and funny. Now watch my zone. Don't let me in my zone. Don't let me get in my zone. Don't let me get in my zone. These other niggas is lying, acting like the summer ain't mine. I got that bitch in my home. You know how that bitch is unknown. Don't let me get in my zone. 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 Building the hands to the ceiling. I know I'm about to kill it. How you know I got the feeling? Now watching my throne. Don't let me into my zone. Don't let me into my zone. I'm definitely in my zone. Zone, 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 zone. So that was a music video. At the beginning, I stopped because like, I started singing and I stopped. The reason why is because, like, when I stopped, like, the lyrics was all over, meaning, like, I stopped because, like, for instance, instead of saying Paris, like, I mean, not Paris, instead of saying, like, motherfucker, it said, like Mr. Tucker or something. I was like, what the hell? And so I kind of, like, got distracted and stuff, and I just stopped for that part. Then I went again. But I stopped it right here because it's going to go on with this beat. It's not part of the song. So thanks guys for watching. Stay tuned for me singing the motto. Bye.